name is Daniel. Nice to meet you. Today, we're gonna be doing some slime. Oh, you might need your parents for this because dun dun dun. So this is how we start it up. You have to open it. Boop. Then we put it in here like that. Yeah. I think we're all done. Ooh. Yes, I think we're done. Now we have to close this up and then put this one on. We're not doing big slime, but oh, we put it on the wall. Hey, Lulo. Oh, he's chilling. He doesn't need my help. Hey, Lulo. Lulo, I'm behind you. I'm right here. Ay. Okay. Now that we're done. Hi. Now that we're done, we need to put this. That looks black, but it's actually green. Green like guava juice. Do you want it to be colorful? Let me get it. Okay, I am back with some more colors. First, I'm gonna put red. Ooh, ew, 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 that is gross. Ew, ew. Oh, that looks so good. Do you know what I hate? And we're doing this colorful. This is gonna be so good. Red, green, and oh god. Just like we did. Oh my god. Oh no. Okay, that's fine. I'll wash that later. Okay, guys. I think. Okay, I'm done. Oh no. Time for the borax! Hey Dad, can you help me?
He's helping.
Oh, okay.
Here.
Oh, okay. Let's open. I think that's enough. Okay. Now I need. Okay, I'm back. All I needed is just. Oh my god, this is coming out very beautiful. Oh my god, what is this? It looks like the lungs from a person. Ugh. Oh, that's gross. I didn't expect it to be this horrible. Red felt. Do I need a little bit more borax? Dad, do we need a little bit more borax? I forgot where to make slime right now. Oh my god, Red, stop going into the floor. Okay. I added a little bit more green. Let's turn to touch it. Do you like some of my soup? Here's the slime. Don't forget to subscribe. Ew. Bye.